time. There are times that I miss you, times when I know I need you, times when I miss saying how much I care, times when I know you're always there. But time changes, I guess. It changes people, hurt and stress, mind, attitude, and personality as well. And it depends on what you've been through, heaven or hell. I say waiting for time, waiting for happiness, for at long last would be mine. But time too changes itself, and I couldn't do a single thing but accept it myself. Now you live, and still, maybe time will tell that we could be once we were when we both fell. I wish it would be all too easy to forget and face the reality. Maybe in time, I will not look for you. In time, I won't even miss you too. In time, I won't have to stalk anymore and won't recall you walking out the door. In time, I won't have to call out your name. I won't even remember the day you came. In time, I will be able to tell myself it's over and say, get up, idiot, pull yourself together. In time, I will realize that I don't love you anymore. In time, my heart will heal from this depraved sore. In time, we will both find the love again. In time, we'll both be happy then. We can't judge time and we can't blame anyone too, but always remember that my feelings were true. I guess we were just not meant to be for each other, but maybe in time we are really meant to be together. Until that time, I'll still have my pursuit of happiness. I'll need time to take some rest. I wish you all the best and happiness in this world. Just don't let your dreams get swirled. I'll not deny the possibility of that again. You'll be mine. Let's just say it will happen again in time.